Hi guys, welcome to the new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how we can clone the virtual machine's disk and also about its reuse. So let's go to the Azure portal and I will show you. So this is my resource group, and under this resource group I have virtual machine, and with the virtual machine I have its disk. You can see the disk is here, so I just need to click the disk here and we can check about its uh, usage of the disk, like which VM is it associated. So we can find it out easily, like you can see this managed by VM France because that's the name of my virtual machine actually. So for cloning, first step is create snapshot. So first we need to make a snapshot, or you can take a snapshot of this OS disk. Once you copy this, everything inside this will be there, like OS and your configurations. So this is a good feature. So for creation, we just follow few things: subscription, everything, where you want to put the clone things and what name you want to give. So I will give it clone disk, and everything others I will just go with the default and click next. Encryption next. Here we don't need to change anything, just go with the default things and review and create. Click on the create button to start the process. It won't take so long. So the disk has been created. I mean, then go to the resource. So apart from this, I can show you about this clone disk under the resource group, which will be better for you. And you can see here, so we can directly click on the resource group, go to the resource group, so we can see all the material over there. If you don't know how it looks like, so we can go there. So over here, you can see the clone disk is here. You can see the snapshot. So this is not the disk actually, this is snapshot. So we just need to click again here, then we need to create proper disk from this clone snapshot. So over here we have to click on the create disk because we already have a snapshot now. So just simply click on this, click create disk option or button,